You know, they have a national day for just about anything anymore. You know, there's National Siblings Day, National Coffees Day. Heck, yesterday was actually National Pickle Day. But I bet you'll never guess what today's National Day is. Hey everyone, it's Pam with Organizer AZ 911, and today, November 15th, 2017, is National Clean Your Refrigerator Day. I tell you, they'll make a day for anything. But actually, I believe this day was invented by an economist from Whirlpool to encourage everyone to clean out their refrigerator before Thanksgiving. Well, I started cleaning out my refrigerator last weekend, kind of preparing for Thanksgiving. So today I'm heading out to my favorite organizing store, the Container Store, to grab some supplies to get the job done. Okay, I did some damage at the Container Store. I'm really excited to try it out in my own refrigerator. And I challenge you to sometime this week, you don't have to do it today just because it's National Clean Your Fridge Day, okay? But sometime this week, I challenge you to clean and organize your fridge before the Thanksgiving holiday. And please send me your photos of your newly cleaned and organized fridge. You can send it to me either at my Twitter page or my Facebook page. And be sure to tag me on those photos so I can see them and highlight your success. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ 911. I'll see you next time.